Today, we're excited to introduce the all-new 2025 Hyundai Instar, a sleek and versatile crossover that combines futuristic design, advanced technology, and exceptional performance. Hyundai has raised the bar with the Instar, offering a perfect blend of style, comfort, and innovation. Let's explore what makes the 2025 Hyundai Instar a standout in its segment. The exterior of the 2025 Hyundai Instar is a true work of art. At the front, the bold parametric grille seamlessly integrates with the sharp LED headlights and daytime running lights, creating a commanding presence. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic lines not only enhance its aesthetics but also improve efficiency. The side profile showcases elegant curves, flared wheel arches, and 18-inch alloy wheels that give it a sporty character. At the rear, sleek LED taillights connected by a light bar and a stylish bumper complete the modern look. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a spacious and luxurious cabin. Hyundai has focused on delivering a premium experience with high-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship. The dual-tone interior with soft-touch surfaces, leatherette upholstery, and ambient lighting creates a sophisticated ambience. The Instar offers ample legroom and headroom for all passengers, while the large panoramic sunroof adds an airy feel to the cabin. The dashboard is loaded with cutting-edge technology. At the center is a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Hyundai's Blue Link connectivity suite offers a range of smart features, including remote start, vehicle tracking, and climate control. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving information, while the multi-function steering wheel ensures convenience at your fingertips. Other highlights include wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and a premium Bose sound system for an immersive audio experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Hyundai Instar comes with a range of efficient and powerful engine options. The base model features a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine, delivering excellent fuel efficiency and smooth performance. For those seeking more power, a hybrid variant is available, combining a 1.6-liter engine with an electric motor for enhanced performance and lower emissions. Both engines come with Hyundai's refined automatic transmission, ensuring a seamless driving experience. Safety is a priority in the Hyundai Instar, and it comes equipped with Hyundai Smart Sense, a suite of advanced safety features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. The high-strength body structure and multiple airbags ensure maximum protection for all occupants. The 2025 Hyundai Instar is more than just a crossover, it's a statement of modern living. With its bold design, advanced features, and efficient performance, it's designed to cater to the needs of today's drivers. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on long journeys, the Instar is ready to elevate your driving experience. That's all for today's review on Auto City. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest cars. What are your thoughts on the 2025